There are quite a few cases where manufacturing and work orders are automatically created by AccelGrid. Multi-level BOMs and automated replenishments are two typical use cases. Let's go ahead and create a new manufacturing order from the Manufacturing Orders menu. First, we select the product to manufacture and enter the quantity to produce. The BOM is automatically selected, but you're free to change it if you have multiple BOMs for the same product. You'll also notice that the BOM lines are automatically computed. Let's save this and confirm the manufacturing order. You can edit the quantity currently being produced if you are processing the manufacturing order in batches. Confirming the manufacturing order also generates work orders automatically based on the bill of materials. Your operators can now view and process work orders directly from the Work Orders tab or the Work Orders menu. Each work order has options to start, pause, done, and block. It's important to know that the next work order in the sequence will display a waiting status until the previous work order is completed. Once all the work orders are marked as completed, we can return to the manufacturing order to complete the process by simply clicking on the Mark as Done button. If you've not produced all quantities, AccelGrid will ask you to confirm whether you need a back order to be created for the remaining quantities. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.